Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create and verify your BitMart account. BitMart is a popular cryptocurrency platform where you can buy, sell and trade cryptocurrency of different kinds. So in this video I will take you through the step-by-step process. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. So let's get started. The first step you have to take is to download and install the BitMart app into your phone, and you can do that by going over to your Play Store or your App Store. If you're using an Android device, go over to your Play Store, while if you're using an iOS device or an iPhone, then you go over to your App Store. Let me go over to my Play Store since I'm using an Android device. Let me tap on it real quick. So guys, now my Play Store has opened up. So the next step I have to take now is to search out BitMart, and I can do that by tapping on the search icon at the bottom right. So let me tap on it. Then let me tap at the search icon again at the top. You can see that at the top left. Let me tap on it. Then what I'm going to do now is to type in BitMart. Let me type it real quick. BITMART. Then let me tap on search down there. Right there guys is the BitMart app. Let me tap on it so you see it clearly. You can now see the BitMart logo clearly. You can see the name right there, BitMart, buy Bitcoin and crypto. So now to download and install this, what you simply have to do is to tap on install. So let me tap on install. Right there guys, can see it, I've started installing. It is at 21%, so let's wait till it gets to 100%. Once it gets to 100%, then it's going to start installing automatically. Let's just wait a few seconds. You can see now it has 100%. Now it's going to start installing. Now it's installing. Well guys, can now see the BitMart exchange app has been installed. So now the next step I have to take now is to tap on open to open up the BitMart app. Let me tap on it. You can see now the BitMart exchange is opening up. This is the logo. You can see what's written here. Allow BitMart to send you notifications. Let me tap on allow. Allow BitMart to make and manage phone calls. Let me tap on allow. Here's the next step. This is the sign up page. You can see what's written there. Sign up now and get up to $3,000. So guys, what I have to do now is to tap on get started to create an account. So let me tap on get started. Right here is the next step. So what you have to do now is either to provide your phone number or your email. You can either use your phone number or your email to create a BitMart account. You can see right there, phone number is actually selected, but if you want to use your email address, then you tap on where you can see email. Let me tap on email. You can see now I can provide my email. I'm going to be using my email address to create a BitMart account in this video tutorial. So after you've inputted your email or your phone number, then you go ahead now to input your password. You have to create a password that you can easily remember and that people can easily guess. Make sure of that. So let me go ahead now to input my email address and my password. Let me do that real quick. Right there you can see I've inputted my email address and also my password. You can see the criteria of creating a password. It must be at least 8 characters and it must have one uppercase, one lowercase, one number and one symbol. So take note of that. After that, now what you have to do now is to go ahead now to input the referral ID. You can see it is written referral ID on the right hand side. Let me tap on it. So what you have to do now is to go ahead now to input the referral ID, and as you can see there, it is optional. And guys, once you're done with that, they go ahead now to tick that box. You can see that box right there on the left hand side. Make sure you tick it. That's to agree to the user and the privacy policy of the BitMart. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on sign up. Let me tap on it down there. You can see it right there. Then this is the next step. You can see they say select in the order. So let me go ahead now to select in the right order. Let me tap on this. Then this, then this, then let me tap on OK. Wow, you can see verification success. So guys, here's the next step. You can see what's written there, email verification code sent successfully. So let me go over to my email inbox now to get the code that has been sent to me so I can go through this process. Let me go over to my email. You can see right there, that's the email from BitMart. Let me open it up. Then you can see the code right there. Let me copy the code. Then let me go back to the BitMart platform. Then let me paste it real quick. So let me type it in. Then let me tap on next. Can see success. Wow guys, can now see success. You can see what's written there. Let me cancel out of this. You can see welcome. Click to enter BitMart reward hub for tax and lucky draws, winning rewards up to 8,000 USDT. You can see it right there. So let me tap on start now. Then let me go back. So guys, now by doing this, now you've been able now to create a BitMart account. But the next important step now is to verify your BitMart account, which is very important so that you can have access to all of the features in your BitMart account. So for you to do that, you have to tap on your profile icon at the top left. So let me tap on it right away. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on your profile icon again. Just tap on any area around that encircled area. So let me tap on it. Then the next step now you have to take now is to tap on where you can see identity verification. Verify now. You have to tap on it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see here is the next step, identity verification. You can see now we have two levels of verification. Level 1, this is level 1. All you need to provide is your personal information. You can see it right there, and down there these are the benefits you're going to be getting. You can see the benefits you're going to be getting are marked good. You can see the ones marked good, while the ones marked bad are the benefits you're not going to be able to get. So now let me go over to the level 2 now, verification. Let me tap on level 2. You can see level 2, this is for all starter requirements. So you're going to provide a government issued ID card, which can be your international passport or your national ID card, or also your driver's license. And also you're going to be doing facial recognition. You're going to take a picture of yourself. So down there now, these are the benefits you're going to be getting. You can see they are all ticked good. You can see the difference between level 1 and level 2. On level 2, you can see that all the features are ticked good, so you have access to all the features, while level 1 you have access to some features and you don't have access to some features. So let me go over to level 1 now. I'm going to be doing the verification for both level 1 and level 2. So let me tap on verify now to do the level 1 verification. Let me tap on it. So guys, now this is the next step. You can see what's written there, identity verification. Please complete the identity verification to ensure the account security. So what you have to provide now is your country. You have to provide your name, first name and last name, and also you have to provide your date of birth and your residential address. So let me go ahead now to fill this real quick. Right there you can see I've inputted my last name, my first name, my place of birth and also date of birth. So let me go ahead now to tap on confirm. Well guys, can see it's loading. You can see now level 1 completed. So I've completed level 1. So what I'm going to do now is to go over to level 2. You can see now level 2 has been selected. So let me tap on verify now under the level 2. Then you can see this is the next step, identity verification. They said please complete the identity verification to ensure account security. You have to select your nationality, scan and upload your ID document, and also facial recognition with your mobile. You're going to take a picture of yourself, a picture of your face using your phone camera, and these are the features you're going to get like we've seen before. So let me tap on verify now. Then let me tap on you can see what's written here, allow BitMart to take pictures and record video. So let me tap on allow while using this app. You can see guys, it's loading up. Here is the next step. You can see start verification. This process is designed to verify your identity and protect you from identity theft. So they said use a valid government issued document like your driver's license, international passport, national identity ID card. They say it must be a well lit surface. So make sure the images you're going to upload right here, they are all clear, without blur, without reflection. And also the app may use the camera flash, which is cool. Be ready to take a selfie. So what you have to do now is to toggle on that feature on the right hand side to give consent to privacy notice. So let me toggle it on. Then after that, now you tap on start. So let me tap on start. So guys, now here is the next step. Now you can see they say check your issuing country. Make sure you select your issuing country. You can see my country has already been selected. Then the next step now is to select your document type. You can see we have 3 options here: passport, driver's license and identity card. I have my identity card, so let me go for the 3rd option. So let me tap on it now to select it. You can see the next step is a question. It says which format is it? So it's a plastic ID card. So let me tap on plastic ID card. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written that they said manually capture photo size. That means the front of your ID card. So let me capture it real quick. So guys, let me go ahead now to take a picture of it. Then let me flip to the back side. Then let me take a picture of the back side. You can see now it's checking the image. You can see now got it. So let's go over to the next step, which is facial verification. So what you have to do now is to tap on start, but before you tap on start, you can read the information right there. It says we need to take a scan of your face to verify that you're a real person. Your face must be evenly lit and stand out from the background. So make sure the background you're standing in front of, make sure the background is different from whatever clothes you're wearing or whatever color complexion that you have. Then the next one, they said hold device at your eye level. Then the last one, center your face in the frame and follow the on-screen instructions. So what you have to do now is to tap on start. So let me tap on start. So let me take a selfie. You can see now upload successful. So guys, now you can see we have done level 1 and level 2 verification. So what you have to do now is to go over to your profile to see if your account has been verified. Usually it takes about 5 minutes to about 1 hour depending on how fast the team is in checking your account. So let me go back now to check my account. Let me go back now to my profile. Then let me refresh. Then let me go back to my profile page. Let me tap on my profile icon at the top left. Then let me tap on the profile icon again at the top. Right there guys, you can now see verified. You can see my identity verification has been verified. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it to open it so you see it clearly. Wow guys, you can see my account has been verified. You can see it right there written verified. You can see it being ticked good in green color. You can see it right there. Now the level 2 verification has been verified. Why? Let me go over to the level 1. You can see level 1 also is also verified. So guys, this is how you can be able to create and verify your BitMart account, and I believe this was helpful to you. Do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Bye.